Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you creating viral ads with AI, my Claude Skills showcase. So first things first, you just have to go to any web browser and create an account on Claude AI. This is what it looks like. It's so easy. Just connect it with your Google account or create email address and password. So basically here in Claude AI, you can ask anything, but since we're focused on creating viral ads, so instead of asking a Claude AI with simple questions, or let's just say vague prompt, you can ask Claude AI, provide a specific details like product name, main features, target audience, customer pain points, desired tone, call to action. It's also very important that you know two things. What are you selling and who are you selling to? The more context you provide, the stronger the ad concept Claude can generate. Okay, so you must enter the information of your product right here. Be very specific because Claude AI also or sometimes depends on your prompt or your information. So once done with adding the information right here, all you have to do is to just basically press enter. So as you can see, provide the following such as product name, main features, target audience, let's just say desired tone, friendly, call to action. So after that, press this arrow right here and then wait for a couple of seconds and you should see the result right away. And as you can see, these are the examples and Claude AI have already or Claude AI provides the following. For example, if you want to use a script for your TikTok, okay, so you can see it right here. Now, if you want to use this as for your shorts, YouTube shorts, you can see it right here and in other platforms. So that's the good thing about Claude AI. So once you're satisfied with this, then you can proceed with the step two or another thing, which is brainstorm multiple ad angles. So rather than asking Claude for just one ad, ask it to generate several different approaches. Okay, so if you want to ask Claude AI for problem solution, before and after transformation, customer testimonial, storytelling, curiosity driven, emotional appeal, limited time offer, you just have to be very specific right here. Just type this following information, press enter or this arrow facing up. So having multiple creative angles allows you to test different messages and discover what resonates best with your audience. And here are the following results. And all you have to do is to select one. Now, you need to select at least one angle and ask Claude AI to write the ad. So let's just say you will be focused on storytelling for let's just say YouTube shorts or YouTube video ads. So once you have that, then you can choose, for example, you can type your storytelling and then you can generate high converting ad copy for Facebook ads, Instagram options. So you can ask requests like LinkedIn ads, Google search ad headlines, YouTube video ads, TikTok scripts, email promotions. So once done, then you can press enter and you should see every scene right here, which is very good. As you can see, this one is for YouTube video ad script. Okay, you can see her format, the tone. There is the scene one. Okay, morning, the time, the visual, the voiceover, and on-screen text. So this is the good thing about Claude AI. It will provide everything here for your ads. This one is for scene one. Now, if you want to choose scene two, there is also here visual. Okay, you can just basically follow this. Also the voiceover and also the on-screen text. Now, if you're not satisfied with scene 2, there is the scene 3 here. So the turn, curiosity beat, and also if not satisfied, there is the scene 4, evening. Then there is the scene 5, scene 6, and so on. Now you have to review the draft. So basically just review the draft right here and then refine it to match your brand voice. Remember, AI creates the draft, you provide the final polish. So you have to recheck everything. Now, once done, you can improve hooks and headlines. So the first few seconds determine whether someone keeps reading or keeps scrolling. You can ask Claude to generate several hook variations such as questions, bold statements, surprising statistics, curiosity driven openings, benefit focused headlines. So compare the options and choose the one that's most relevant to your audience rather than simply the most dramatic. So here are the results. Now, next to that is you have to adapt one idea for multiple platforms. Okay, so for example, you're done with this, then you can ask or take a single ad concept and ask Claude to rewrite it for different platform. For example, you want this for a short Instagram caption or LinkedIn post, or let's just say a YouTube ad script, a Google search ad, an email campaign. So this saves time while keeping your messaging consistent across channels. Okay, so basically that's it. Now, next is the call to action. So, a great ad should clearly tell people what to do next. So, you can ask Claude AI to generate different calls to action, such as shop now, start your free trial, download today, book a demo, learn more, or get started. So, you can choose a call to action that matches the goal of your campaign and the stage of your audience buying. So, here are the samples CTA that you can use for your ads. All you have to do is to copy. Okay, so basically, after that, you can review and edit before publishing the accuracy, brand voice, grammar, and spelling, realistic claims, and so on. So you can also start creating your ads with the help of CapCut AI, or let's just say CapCut tool rather, or Canva. So in Canva, let's just say all you have to do is to create an account, search for something like YouTube ad. There is this template right here. All you have to do is to click which one you prefer, and then inside Canva, you can see templates for your ads. You can even start from scratch, or you can choose from any of the given templates right here and then change the element. Okay, so for example, if I search for perfume, then there's no template, then I can choose from any of the template right here. Just click. And then after that, just change the elements. So instead of cell phone, you can go to elements and then search for perfume or upload your own product's image. Okay, so basically that's it. All you have to do is to just search for perfume or upload, go to photos, drag your picture right here or photo from Canva, and then you just have to select edit, remove some elements, change some word, add the name of your product right here, add elements or other objects, and then you just have to save or download this and post it to your YouTube account. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.